Hello friends, on today's episode I made a dress and attended a cocktail soiree. Let's hope that this isn't a bad case of what I saw versus what I made. Will this give what it's meant to give, or will this be a flop? And once again, it's Precious, the first.
I don't know if I'm wired differently or if this also happens to other tailors, but I find it difficult making dresses for myself. Like, I just find it difficult. It's so tiring. I can make dresses for people, but when it comes to making dresses for myself, I find it so tiring. I have decided that this is gonna change. And maybe I'm just gonna do like a 1 month challenge, a 1 month challenge where I actually make dresses for me this particular month. So I've decided to pen down what I want to achieve this month. This is going to be like a 4 week challenge, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. And I've decided to make a dress each week. So I'm going to be taking each week once I achieve that. As Habakkuk 2 verse 2 said, write down the vision, make it plain on tables that he might run that readeth it. So I'm going to place this on my wall so that I will do the needful whenever I see this placed on my wall. And so help me God, I hope I keep up to this challenge. So I'll just be placing this on my wall. I think I'm just placing here. This will do. So now that that is said, I'm going to kickstart this challenge right away. Truthfully, I've been postponing, the making of this dress. This is the dress I intend making, and this has been a long time coming. I was supposed to make this dress for my presentation at work, but I wasn't able to do it. But then I have an event to attend. It's actually a corporate cocktail soiree. I think this event is going to ginger me more to make this dress. So, and this is the fabric I'm going to use to make this dress. It's actually puffy. It doesn't have any stretch to it. I don't know what particular name they call this fabric. I do not know. I got this fabric from a seller who deals in bale fabric, and guess how much I bought this fabric? Don't tell anybody. I got this fabric for 800 naira, and this is 2 yards of fabric. So 2 yards, I got it for 1,600 naira for the 2 yards of fabric. And the thing is that I won't be needing so much to make this dress. I won't even use a zipper. I'll just be using a thread. That's just it. A thread of 200 naira. So I'm just going to start right away making this dress. So without further ado, let's get right into the making of the dress. This is the fabric on a large scale, 37 inches. This is roughly 2 yards. So this selvage is going to be the length of the dress.
And I'll
While
just be
this other
folding
part
this
that
in half.
runs across here is 53 inches, as you can see. This is going to be the width.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is up to guess that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind.
Whew, I feel so exhausted right now. So guys, when you're actually cutting the front and the back, please, you have to be very watchful. Right now I'm trying to do some damage control While cutting the front, I mistakenly captured the back as well. I had gotten to this part before I realized that I was cutting the back as well as the front. So I had to see how I can just piece this together. This is just so frustrating to say the least. So guys, just be careful when you're trying to make yours so you don't make the same mistake like mine.
Your body, baby, as you're whining your body, baby, so crazy. Loving your body, baby, girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, you don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Hey, baby, everybody's saying no one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. After the morning, my won't be done from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all you. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all. Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all. Make I give you all you need, baby. Yeah. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body.
I just placed it on my mannequin and I have turned this in several ways in order to create the crisscross effect. So right now I'm just going to be tacking it below. Whatever you want to do at this point, you can just do. The main thing is to give it that twisted crisscross effect, and once you achieve that, you're good to go. Just make sure also that you gauge how this crisscrosses so that your bust is not really exposed. So right now I'll just be tacking this underneath in a hidden way. You can use your sewing machine to do this, but I will just be using my needle and thread, okay, to just do this.
Everybody's saying no one loves you like that. No one wants you.
The next day.
So guys, welcome back. It's currently 6 o'clock and I'm headed to work, so I'm just preparing. This is the day of the event. As you know, the event is starting by 6 o'clock in the evening, so I'll be branching there from work. So this is the outfit I intend putting on to the event today, and I'll be pairing this with this pants trouser. So this is what I'll be pairing this with, the trousers, and this is what I'll be putting on my feet. I'll be putting on the shoes on my feet, and then this is the handbag I'll be going with. Time is far gone and I would not want to go late to work.
A few moments later.
Oh my God, I'm just trying to.
I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live bygones. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind.
So guys, I finally arrived at the venue. I wasn't so late, but it appeared lots of people had already come before me and everywhere was packed full. There was no table for me to drop my belongings or to rest an arm or anything, so I just sat on a single chair provided by the event organizers. And the event was nice, the ambience was cool, the colors, everything was giving. There were lots to eat and drink and lots of gifts to win. In fact, I'm so ashamed of myself. I saw my mates winning vouchers and so many lovely gifts, and I just sat down there being shy. Who shall I help? I need to change this my character. God.
Please a round of applause. Now I have a shopping voucher to give to someone, but we are going to play a game, and this game is going to stress you a little. It's a concentration game, and let me start this way this time so that they won't say I cheated.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find what I give you what you need. I know what you like. I believe
You can go down. You can go down.
I try to need you.
Or should I come? Should I be the one coming down?
Okay.
I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you can hold my.
At this point, I believe you may have already seen snippets of the dress. So tell me, guys, what would you rate this dress? Personally, I think I would rate it a 7. I'm not so comfortable with the back due to the joining I did, that little error there. I'm thankful that I was able to complete week 1 of the challenge. I hope I'm able to complete the remaining 3 weeks. I'll be seeing you on the next episode. Bye for now.